I just came across this AI tool and I think it can literally change the way we create content. Like, literally. So the name of this magical AI tool is Napkin AI. I know it sounds weird, but yeah, that's how it is. So normally, if you want to create graphics for your content, you have to go to the website like Canva or other third-party websites, maybe Photoshop, if you have the skills to make the graphic. But if you don't have the skills to make it, here's how Napkin AI comes into play. Text you want to generate the graphic for, then the Napkin AI will apply its magical AI feature and then gives you the resultant graphic. So as you can see in my screen, I have opened the Napkin AI website. And in the website you can see their homepage. You go on to the pricing tab. We can see here like the starter plan is also $0 and the professional plan is also $0. So grab this opportunity as soon as you can. So if you want to create a new graphic, you have to click on new napkin. Either you can draft with AI or you can create a blank napkin. I am going with blank napkin here. In this placeholder, we have to enter the text we want to generate the graphics for. Evolution of smartphones. So I have generated in ChatGPT. So I have pasted that in the napkin in the placeholder. And what you have to do is to just click on this and it will analyze the text, and based on the text it will generate the graphics. So it have given us many options, like here you can see smartphone, here it has given the graph, here it has given the evolution of connectivity, here it has given the whole chart for this with the graphics. So if you try to make this in Photoshop or Canva, it will take a lot of time, but in this AI software you can do it for free. As you can see here, it has generated all the timeline of that. So you can use it in your YouTube videos, you can use it in your blogs, or you can use it in your websites, and there are many use cases of this. So if you want to download this, you have to just select this all and click the download button here, and you can see here it is giving us the 3 different types. So PNG, SVG and PDF. So you can download as per your choice. So this was a small tutorial about the Napkin AI. Hope you can use this. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have gained any knowledge or gained any benefit from this website, please like this video and subscribe.